Hello friends, in today's video I am going to share with you recipe of mango mousse that you can prepare easily at home without using agar-agar or gelatin. But before start the recipe, if you want to check out the new videos every week, then don't forget to press the bell icon. Now let's start the recipe. Here I have taken two big size mangoes. Now cut it into slices as I am doing here. And now further make the cut into the pulp as I am doing here. That way you can remove the pulp easily, but you can use any other method to remove the pulp. Now with the help of spoon, scoop out all the pulp. This is very easy. And now remove this pulp into the separate bowl. Do the same with both the mangoes. After removing the pulp, this is how it looks like. Now take a grinding jar, add these mango slices into the grinding jar. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar depending upon the sweetness of the mangoes. I am adding 4 tablespoons sugar and now grind it into the puree. After grinding, open the lid and you will notice the smooth puree is ready, but it is not ready yet because it has some threads. Now take a strainer and a bowl and strain the mango pulp. We need the smooth pulp for this recipe. After straining, you have seen this is the remaining. Discard the remaining threads from the puree and the puree is ready. Set this aside. Now into the separate bowl, add 1 cup of whipped cream. Make sure the whipped cream is chilled enough. Now using the electric beater or the hand whisker, whisk it on medium to high speed until the soft peak form. Once you reached at this stage, as you have seen here, this is soft peak stage. At this point, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and now whisk until the soft peak form. It will take about 1 to 2 minutes more. And now you have seen the soft peak forms. We have to stop at this stage. Now give it a quick mix with a very light hand. Now take a piping bag and add 2 to 3 scoops of white whipping cream into the piping bag. You can just simply remove it into the separate bowl if you don't want to use the piping bag. Now after filling it, place it into the refrigerator. And now into the rest of the whipping cream, add half of the mango pulp and half I am going to use for the topping. Now give it a quick mix. Do it with the light hand. Once the whipping cream mixed with the mango pulp, set this aside. Now take any glass cup in which you want to set it. Now add few cubes of mangoes at the bottom of the glass. After adding, now fill this cup according to the size of the cup. I am filling it with 2 tablespoons of this whipping cream mango mixture. Fill all the way all the cups. Spread it evenly and this is how it looks like, almost 3/4 filled. Now place this into the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I have removed these from the refrigerator and you have seen the whipping cream is perfectly set. I have already added the layer of mango pulp that we have saved. Now decorate it with the white whipping cream that we have separated from the mango pulp mixture that we have prepared. You can just add a layer, that is up to you. Now top it with some mango cubes. Just cut the mango cubes and place it into the refrigerator so that it became little bit stiff. Now decorate it with some cherries or tutti frutti or dry fruits of your choice and this is ready to serve. You can serve as is, but I will suggest you can place it into the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours and the mango mousse is ready to serve. You can see by the texture it's so yummy and delicious. And you have seen how easily we have prepared using only 3 ingredients: mango, whipping cream and sugar. Toppings you can choose according to your choice or you can serve as plain. Doesn't matter it doesn't affect the taste, and we have not used any gelatin powder or agar agar. And if you like this easy recipe of mango mousse, do give it a try in this mango season and let me know in the comment section below how your recipe turns out. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the further notification of the new videos. If you like my recipes, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.